1922. Orange, New Jersey. Molly Maggia stood in front of her mirror in the dark. She didn't need a lamp. She was glowing. She thought it was magic. She thought it was health. She didn't know she was already a walking corpse. In the 1920s, radium was the miracle cure. It was in water, in makeup, even in chocolate. But for the United States Radium Corporation, it was money. They hired young girls to paint watch dials with glow-in-the-dark paint. The pay was good, the studio was bright. But there was a catch. To paint the tiny numbers, the girls were taught a specific technique: lip, dip, paint. Every time they put the brush in their mouths, they swallowed poison. The radium settled in their bones, destroying them from the inside out. Then came the horror. Molly's jaw literally crumbled in her dentist's hands. The company's response? They lied. They said she died of syphilis to ruin her reputation. But the girls refused to go quietly. In Illinois, Catherine Donahue, weighing only 71 pounds, faced the company in court. When a doctor held a Geiger counter to her body, the machine screamed. She wasn't just sick, she was radioactive. Catherine won her case on her deathbed. Because of her, we have labor safety laws today. Today, if you visit her grave with a Geiger counter, it will still click. Her bones will glow for another 1,000 years, a silent, shining testament to the truth.